Imagine a waterfall that bleeds red in the middle of Antarctica. Picture clouds igniting into rainbows that seem to be on fire. Envision invisible spirals swirling above remote islands or snowstorms unleashing bursts of invisible gamma rays. These are not scenes from a science fiction movie. They are real, natural phenomena happening on our very own planet. Today, we are diving into the top 5 strangest natural phenomena on Earth. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see our world in an entirely new way. Let's begin. The first phenomenon on our list is known as fire rainbows. Scientists call them iridescent clouds, but to the naked eye, they look like a rainbow set ablaze across the sky. These glowing pastel streaks appear when sunlight hits tiny, evenly sized water droplets or ice crystals high in the atmosphere. When the angle is just right, the light is scattered and diffracted into a dazzling spectrum of colors. Unlike ordinary rainbows that curve across the sky, fire rainbows stretch flat, like bands of glowing paint smeared across the heavens. In 2025, photographs of a massive fire rainbow over parts of Asia went viral, reminding us how rare and breathtaking these events are. Imagine looking up at the clouds only to see them shimmering in pink, violet, and turquoise. It feels like a glimpse into another dimension. Next, we journey to one of the coldest, most hostile places on Earth, Antarctica. Here lies a phenomenon that looks more like a scene from a horror movie. Blood falls. Discovered in 1911, this crimson cascade flows out of Taylor Glacier into Lake Bonny, staining the pure white ice with an eerie, blood-red streak. For decades, explorers assumed algae caused the coloration. But scientists later revealed the truth. It's saltwater brine rich in iron. When the iron-laden water hits oxygen at the surface, it oxidizes, just like rusting metal, turning the water a shocking shade of red. In early 2025, researchers revisited blood falls, confirming not only its chemical mystery, but also uncovering microscopic ecosystems living beneath the ice. From Antarctica's frozen mysteries, let's move to a discovery in 2025 that shocked the scientific world: Fire Ice Methane Plumes. Deep beneath Antarctica's ocean floor, methane hydrates have been trapped for millennia, locked in ice-like structures scientists call fire ice. But now, these deposits are destabilizing, releasing massive methane plumes into the sea. In early 2025, researchers recorded plumes towering up to 350 meters high, 700 meters long, and 70 meters wide. Imagine a hidden undersea geyser spewing one of the most powerful greenhouse gases directly into the atmosphere. This revelation sent shockwaves through the climate science community, because methane is far more potent than carbon dioxide in trapping heat. Now let's shift our gaze to the skies once again. In 2016, satellites captured something extraordinary over Heard Island near Antarctica. 10 mysterious dark spirals in the cloud cover, looking like enormous black voids etched across the atmosphere. These strange formations are called von Karman vortices, created when airflow interacts with obstacles like islands or volcanoes. Normally, vortices appear as delicate swirls, but these dark voids were unlike anything seen before. Their intense shadowing and sharp spiraling made them look almost supernatural, as if the sky itself was tearing open. In 2025, these satellite images resurfaced in scientific discussions, reminding us of just how rare and mesmerizing atmospheric phenomena can be. Finally, we come to perhaps the most mind-bending phenomenon of all: gamma ray bursts during snowstorms. Yes, you heard that right. In 2025, researchers at Aragat's observatory discovered that winter storms can produce natural surges of gamma radiation. During electrified snowstorms, radiation levels were found to spike over 1,000%, reaching doses 120 times higher than normal. These bursts lasted for about 10 hours, suggesting that storms in polar and high-altitude regions can create energy far beyond what we previously understood. Imagine standing in a snowstorm and, without knowing it, being bathed in invisible rays usually associated with cosmic explosions. It's almost like Earth itself is capable of creating miniature bursts of cosmic energy. And 2025 has been a year packed with natural surprises. Natural disasters have already caused over $130 billion in losses worldwide. A massive earthquake in Myanmar took thousands of lives. In India's Uttarakhand region, a deadly flash flood triggered by a cloudburst and possible glacial collapse swept entire villages away. In Antarctica, a massive iceberg broke apart, losing hundreds of square kilometers in just 2 months, while a rare 7.4 magnitude quake rattled the icy continent. These events remind us that Earth's natural systems are not static. They are dynamic, constantly shifting, and capable of both stunning beauty and devastating power. So, as we close this journey through Earth's strangest natural phenomena, let's recap. We've explored the fiery colors of rainbow clouds, the eerie crimson waters of blood falls, the hidden danger of methane fire ice, the swirling voids of von Karman vortices, and the shocking gamma-ray storms of 2025. Each of these reminds us that our planet is alive, restless, and always ready to surprise us. Some of these wonders inspire awe, others raise alarms, but all of them reveal just how little we truly know about the world we live on. Which phenomenon amazed you the most? Was it the surreal beauty of fire rainbows, the haunting red cascade of blood falls, or the invisible energy of gamma-ray storms? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know which mysteries you'd like me to uncover next. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more deep dives into our world's wonders, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next discovery. Until then, stay curious, stay amazed, and remember, our planet is stranger than fiction.